Hi, today in this video I will show you HP LaserJet Pro color M254 printer driver. To start driver installation, now double click this driver and continue. Check this box and next, and wait for some time. This part complete. Now is setup where you set up manual and automatic. So I select this is I think manual setup and select the USB and next, and now connect the printer cable with your computer and printer. Now find it computer, so no, I am not recommend your Wi-Fi, so no, thanks. Now select your home, your business, anyone, and edit your device setting, anything, and next. Now setup is complete. Now download this driver file. Go to Google Chrome and search HP254 printer. I think you writing the HP LaserJet Color Pro M254 printer driver, anyone. No, don't worry, and click here and scroll down. This is not our this is driver is an second driver. Download here, click, and downloading this file for some time. Now downloading and open. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.